Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, the thing I say every time, I'm going to say this time, and that is that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. You need to decide what you're going to do with your money, like the responsible adult I know that you are. Now, today, I'm here to talk to you about the Bybit Card. Now, Bybit is one of a new technology, a new thing that's coming about that you can now essentially have crypto cards, crypto debit, not credit, crypto debit cards. And that is going to use your crypto card just as you would a debit or credit card. It's going to act as a fiat. Pay anytime, anywhere, with crypto or fiat. Choose to pay using crypto or fiat balance. Supported cryptocurrencies, supported fiat is USD. Supported crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, TON, USDT, USDC, MNT, and BNT with more options on the way. So, you want to take your girl out to the movies and a dinner? Honey, you could buy with Bitcoin. You want to go out shopping on Rodeo Drive? Use BNB to pay. Why not? We've got 100% rebates on selected partners. So, fun little incentives with Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingView. We got all sorts of card rewards here. 2 to 10% cashback rewards on your everyday spending. So, guys, this is a new technology. This is a new thing. We've got to get incentives to get the first responder in there. And there you can be. You can be on the cusp, on the cutting edge. Don't get left behind with the Luddites. Your asset, our protection. With Bybit's cutting-edge protections, you can personalize your settings to maintain total control over your account. All of that is super cool. Start your crypto life in minutes and apply now. Update it on new events and maximize your rewards. Let's see who can apply for it. To apply for the Bybit card, you must complete identity verification level 2. This involves providing proof of address and a proof of identity from eligible countries issued within the last 3 months. Please note that Bybit reserves the right to decline any applications based on internal risk evaluations at its discretion. So, there's a lot of stuff here. Let's find out a little more about Bybit. The crypto arc and gateway to Web3. At a glance, over 82 million users worldwide, over $15 billion in daily average trading volume, USD, 24/7 customer support, available in 243 countries. That is nothing to shake a stick at. Unleashing the full potential of crypto Web3 with next-generation tools, support, and opportunities. Been kicking since 2018. Got a long thing going on here. 2020 is when they turned the tide. A new chapter in 2023 as of 2025, which is past now. They're done. They are regulated, resilient, and ready. And here we are in 2026, where more new exciting things are happening for Bybit. So, got a sleek website. I love those little drop-down menus and all that. I don't even have to click. They just know, and then I'm there. Everything's sugar, spice, and everything nice. So there you have it. Links are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.